going viral is not enough. Yes, I know that upcoming YouTubers, people that just started YouTube, we're always praying that our video should go viral. A lot of people should see the video should have plenty views, you understand, which is totally okay. There is nothing wrong when you wish for your video to go viral. There is nothing wrong. But the question I want you to ask yourself is this: after going viral, what next? That is the question I want you to ask yourself. So, in as much as you are praying for your video to go viral, also pray that when your video goes viral, the people that your video reach, at least 50%, 40% of them should stay. I have seen channels that went viral, and after going viral, they came back to square one. And you just feel like, oh, maybe the person that was doing that did that video that went viral, the person is no longer doing well. That is not the case. That is not the case. You understand? Sometimes one thing I have come to realize is that sometimes your video might be pushed to a wrong audience. They will watch it, they will even subscribe, and they will go. You will never see them again on your channel. Sometimes it happens like that. Then sometimes it can happen that a large number of people that watch that your viral video, there are people that are interested in your content, so they will stay. When you post another one, they will want to watch it. It happens like that also. You understand? So always ask yourself, after my video goes viral, what's next? I have seen channels that went viral. They will have like 100,000 views, 200,000 views, 300,000 views, and then when they post, their next video will still be okay. Let's say 50,000 views. The other one will be like 20,000 views. But before you know it, the videos will just go back to 1.1k views, 500 views, 400. Why is it so? If you are watching this video, you have an answer to that question. Please drop on the comment section. Why is it so? So that is why I'm trying to explain to you that going viral is not enough. It's not enough. In as much as you are praying to go viral, for your video to go viral, ask yourself, do I have the ability to sustain that virality? These 200,000 people that have seen my face on this social media, on this YouTube, do I have the ability to make them come back again for more? Do you understand? So if you are praying to go viral on social media, also pray that you give your audience what they want. Also ask yourself, what is that thing I will do next that will also make them come back? Do you understand? Because when your video goes viral, before you know it, your subscribers will increase. It's a must. There is no two ways about it. Show me a man who has gone viral on this social media platform and the subscribers remain the same. Absolutely, there is nobody. When you go viral, your videos, everything will increase. Even your old videos, they will start getting views. Your subscribers count will increase. Like your channel, things will just be happening on your channel. It's normal. You understand? But ask yourself, after going viral, what next? I always pray that I go viral one day, but I also ask myself, after I go viral, what next? What next? Will these people stay? That is one thing I ask myself. Okay, let me share a story with you. I actually have this YouTube channel that I created early this year. So I actually niched down on that channel. I was posting content on how to edit videos and some tips on YouTube. You get, you know me, I love talking about YouTube. I don't know why. YouTube, I love talking about your platform. So, but I have plans of changing the niche of that channel, like totally. I'm changing it to another niche entirely. Though I have not started, but I have made the announcement already. So what happened on this channel? I started posting videos. I actually did a video of how to blur a video background using CapCut. Do you know that video is gradually going viral? When I say gradually, the video, this month, the video can be 2,000 views. The following month will be 3,000. It's not just this kind of video that will just go viral once. Do you understand? You know, some viral videos, when you post a video today, when you sleep and you wake up the next day, you will see 10k views. Some videos are like that. The way YouTube will be pushing it to people, even you will be confused. So it happens. But for this my particular video, it's not like that. It's going viral gradually. It's not rushing. I don't know if you get. So currently that video is 7.7k views when I checked it. The last time I checked, the total number of views is 7,700 views. You can imagine that's a whole lot. You understand? Last time I posted on that channel, I think it's over 1 month now. The last video on that channel should be 17 views since last month. Till now, that video is still 17 views. The one following it is 28 views. Till now, that video is still 28 views. Then I sat down and I asked myself, what is the issue with this? 7,700 people have watched this viral video and none of them is even coming. Okay, let me check the other videos this guy have on this channel. Nothing like that. They just watch and they go. So then I asked myself, is it that YouTube is pushing this video to the wrong audience? That was what I asked myself. And that was what bettered this topic of going viral is not enough. Though that one 7.7k views, so some of you is not a viral content, it's not a viral video, but for me, that is the highest number of views I have had on YouTube since I started YouTube channel. Even on this particular channel, I don't even have any video that is up to 7k views. Do you understand? So to me, 7,000 is a viral video. So that one is not even affecting the other videos. It's not like I'm posting randomly. Now I'm posting in the same circle. Everything is related. Why is it not affecting other videos? Why are people not watching it? Though I'm getting subscribers, but the subscriber is not really much. You understand? I think currently now I have 200 subscribers on that channel. So going viral is not enough. It's not enough because sometimes your videos might be going viral, but the people that YouTube is pushing it to, they are not your target audience. That is what I'm trying to explain to you. Let's say out of 100%, 80% are not your target audience. And you know one thing about this viral video, a video that is going viral, let me tell you how it works. YouTube, let's say you posted a video and the video is going viral, YouTube will show it to me. Even though I'm not interested in that video, I will just swipe. If I come to YouTube again later, I'm looking for videos to watch, YouTube will also show me that video again. Even if I swipe, if I come again, they will show it to me again. They can show it to me 5-6 times until I will just be like, let me just watch it. So sometimes that is how this viral video works. You understand? Somebody that is interested in your video, if they see it, they want to click on it the first time or the second time. But somebody that is not interested, first time they swipe, second time they swipe, third time they swipe. If it's getting too much, make I just watch, make I hear what the person want to talk, make YouTube let me rest. You understand? So that is how sometimes people watch your video and they go. It's not like they are really interested. That's why sometimes you just be like, out of 100,000 people that watch this video, only 1,000 people subscribe. Why? So because that is not their interest. They are not even interested. They don't even care about the next video you will post. Do you understand? So going viral is not enough. Ask yourself, after going viral, what next? What is that thing I need to put in place so that all these people, a large number of them, will come back for me? Very good example I will talk about now is Favor Matthew. I know a lot of us know her. She posted a video on is it fake background? Yeah, fake background video. And that video went viral. I don't even know the number of views she has now, but that video, the number of views she has on that video is mind-blowing. You understand? But is her channel healthy? Yes. If she posts a video now, a lot of people will just, and she is not very consistent. When I say very consistent, no. Sometimes she posts like few times a month, you understand? It's not like somebody that posts like 3 times a week, 4 times a week. No. I think she's busy with something. But anytime she releases a video, people are rushing. Do you understand? So that is what you should be telling yourself. You don't want to post a video and the video will go viral. Then tomorrow you are not looking for those your viewers. You are not looking for them. No. Always pray that your viewers, they come back. That is what we know as returning viewers. They will come back again to watch your video, to watch your new video. Do you understand? So in as much as you pray to go viral, also pray that your video should reach your target audience. People will be like, wow, this is what I'm looking for. Let me subscribe so that I watch our next video. Do you understand? And people that will want to support you, people that will just love your personality. You understand? So in as much as you pray to go viral, also pray that your channel should be held so that when you post your next video after that viral video, the views will still be encouraging. Even after you post 20 videos later, the views will still be encouraging. You understand? Because nothing pain pass say you have a viral video and then it's not like you are starting afresh because the views are not there anymore. Do you understand? I hope you learned something from this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Thank you guys for always coming through for me. I will see you guys in my next video. But before then, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share to somebody else that would love to see it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.